Hello friends, welcome to our new video. So in this video we are going to talk about Wiley M3 technical interview questions. So if you are preparing for Wiley M3 technical round, so these questions can help you for preparing your interviews, and these are the most asked questions that we have collected from interview experiences of different students. So we have divided these questions into 5 parts. In first part we are going to talk about some basic questions that they can ask, and in second part we will talk about some theoretical questions that they can ask related to OOPS and normal questions, and in third part we are going to talk about coding question that they can ask you to write while showing your screen, and in fourth part we will talk about DBMS, and in fifth part we will talk about academic projects related questions. So let's move to our first part. In first part they can ask tell me about yourself, which is a quite easy question. In second question they can ask what kind of technology you are most interested, and in third, are you comfortable in coding? Yes, you have to say yes. So in fourth question they can ask in which programming language you are most comfortable. So in my opinion your answer should contain Java and Python, because they are hiring for Java developers, and also they are training student Java, so that will be a beneficial point for you. So let's move to our next section. Yeah, so here they can ask project you have done, advantage of double linked list over single, application of stack, which search method you use for a data set, some basic OOPS questions, which are the two sort algorithms that have same average time complexity, difference between self and init, encapsulation and how it works, what is hash map. So these are some theoretical questions that they can ask. So let's move to our next section, which is a coding part. So they will ask you to show your screen and you have to write the code in a compiler, and they will ask you to open any compiler. You can use online compiler or you have installed that one, and they can ask you to write a program to print calendar of current year. So this is quite easy. You can just complete this code in 2 lines in Python. Okay, and second question they can ask find smallest and second smallest from list, and third question, it is a very important question and this question is asked many times, so prepare this question well. Remove zeros from the data set and store the non-zero values in the same order. So you have to put all the zero value on the right of the number array and the non-zero values in the left, and the order should be same. Okay, and let's move to the fourth question. Java program to find twin prime from 0 and 100. So this is a question, and the fifth question can be Java program to create a tree and check whether that tree is binary tree or not. So these are some most asked questions that has been asked in Wiley M3 coding questions. So prepare these questions as well, and prepare other questions also, but please prepare these questions thoroughly. Okay, and let's move to our next section, which is DBMS. So they can ask deadlock and techniques to avoid it, interfaces, third normal form, SQL query to find unique element from table. Okay, differences in primary key and candidate key, and they can ask about foreign key and some basic questions, normalization in SQL. They can ask about update query, join query syntax, how to reduce redundancy in database, what are ACID properties, what is deletion anomaly, difference between DDL and DML commands. Okay, so now let's move to our next section, which is about project and general questions. So this is based on the question that are generally asked. So let me show you what are these questions. Explain academic projects, what DS and algorithm you have used in your project, most challenging part of your life. So this is a very general question that they can ask related to your life or projects. And fourth question was very funny, your dream company and why it is your dream company. So I will suggest you to prepare a good answer for these kind of questions so that you can present a good answer in front of them. So thank you guys for watching our video. So if you liked our videos, so please like, comment and subscribe our channel Campus Placement Guru. And so if your friend are preparing for Wiley M3, so please share this video with the needy one so that they can get a blueprint about the interview process and the questions. So thank you guys.